call it National Importance of Running Value, 4-star rank. Billing the Philippine National Police.
Sir, anong bilin sa'yo ng Pangulo?
Ang billing natin, ang billing ng ating Pangulo is
Mababa ko din ito.
continue yung trabaho ng Philippine National Police. Community safe, ensure na mapababa natin ang krimen. Yan naman ang marami natin ginagawa.
Sir, ano?
How are you feeling right now? Kumusta mo sa pakiramdam na
After
4-star rundown kayo?
Parehas lang naman. When I assume and took on August 26, ang pamumuno ng Philippine National Police ay nasa shoulder ko na at nasa akin na. So that was August 26. So happened that meron pang isang 4-star yung pinalitan natin. Kaya hindi pa tayo napupromote. Now, I've been promoted by virtue of the promotion order that was given to me by the President and properly endorsed by the
Sir, ngayong 4-star lang ka na, magkakaroon ba ng dagdag directive po sa lahat ng
Okay, kung ano yung sinabi ko noong August 26, ay ganun pa rin ang pinagutos natin, tuloy-tuloy ito. No? Programa ng Philippine National Police to improve the peace and order of our country.
Nagkaroon mo ng reshuffle, sir?
Ang reshuffle sa PNP, especially placement, kasi marami tayo from time to time, marami nag-retire. Okay? At marami nag-retire, marami rin nag-promote. So, change reaction, may mga movement, every time.
Sir, bukod sa pagpapababa ng krimen, may special ba na bilin ang Pangulo sa'yo?
Ang pagbababa ng krimen ay isang napakalaking programa. Magagawa mo lang yan, of course, if the Philippine National Police is doing their job. Paano mo mapapagawa? How are you going to lead this organization consisting of 230,000 para magawa niya yung trabaho niya? That is, to implement the law, prevent or crime, enforce the law, ensure public safety. Tatlo, kailangan, kailangan ito ay isang unit o isang organization na ready to do that. Paano mo mapaparedy yan? Kailangan elite and for mataas ang moral nila, etc. Paano mo papagawa uli yan? Mataas ang sweldo, tumaas ang sweldo natin, magandang training, we have funds at nagte-training tayo tuloy-tuloy, and we have the necessary equipment. At taon-taon, ini-improve natin ito. Ito ang tatlong kailangan. Plus the very basic coordination and our participation and our partnership with our stakeholders, lalong-lalo na ang community. In that way, mapapababa natin ang criminals or we can enforce the law.
Sir, sorry for asking, but how are you with General Torre po? Sorry for asking, sir, pero how are you with General Torre po?
This is a unique organization. Officers come and go. At nagkataon nandun siya sa retired and nandun siya sa ibang service. Particularly,
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Congrats, sir.